Focus now and talk about the adjoining state of Maharashtra, because right after, when the main accused in the case of alleged sexual assault of two minor girls, Akshay Shinde, now as far as his case is concerned, where he was shot dead in a retaliatory firing incident by the police, this after Shinde allegedly snatched officers' weapon and opened fire at them. And as per the officials, when he was being taken to the court, the incident unfolded. The accused snatched the gun of the police escort party and fired at the police, which resulted also in the injury of the police official. The police retaliated and the accused was shot. He was thereafter taken to the Shivaji hospital, where he succumbed to bullet injuries. Now, what is now being cited as far as the encounter politics that has now taken place? What we have accessed is the post-mortem report, the details that are now coming in of the accused's autopsy that has been conducted. We also told you that experts in their field with regards to the doctors and also the forensic teams that were present during the post-mortem, the reports are out which suggest that the death has happened. The reason that has been cited is due to hemorrhage and shock. Now, 5-member forensic team that had conducted the autopsy, the samples that has been taken to confirm when it comes to the presence of carbon as well. And the sample is taken to ascertain if the accused fired bullets. Now, process of the post-mortem, the videography that has also been done, and the suggested time of death is said to be between 6 to 7 p.m. Those are the post-mortem details that we are breaking of when it comes to the accused, the Badlapur accused. 5-member forensic team, and including when it comes to the teams of doctors as well that conducted the post-mortem of the Badlapur.